Who's this?
Alright, Kota's the engineer here. We shot a whole video up there explaining a time lapse it coming off the trailer and stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What's going on, buddy?
Hey, thanks for getting me that.
Pops here just came through with a frickin' tractor so Kota can grade the land, make more room for more cars. Yeah, we're shooting for 50 cars. We need 50 cars each. Now we gotta, this is pretty much graded. This is the top level of the land, but there's a bunch of stuff we need to clear out. Rented this thing for a week. So what's the story behind you knowing how to do this stuff, Kota?
I used to work.
Wait.
I used to do like big dozer, like D8s and water truck and big dump truck and this little stuff.
Yeah, he can literally do
I
anything.
used to.
This thing's looking cool though. We're gonna make pit bike track?
Bike track, no problem.
No problem, let's go.
Kota just ran over a rabbit with a GTR. Look at this poor thing. Kota just killed it.
Hey,
Kota,
don't
you
say
murderer.
that. I would not kill animals.
You're a murderer.
Dude, you ate steak yesterday. Oh, rabbit! Am I gonna get pinched by anything here? Go. Oh, this thing moves! Let's go.
I'm running errands for my husband.
What are we doing today, Leah?
VR wheels?
We're going to VR wheels and we're picking up mine and Josh's wheels. We are here.
We made it.
VR wheels.
We made it without dying.
Excited to get my wheels. Let's go.
I need to call Josh.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey babe. So I just go in and ask for Phil?
No one called VR wheels or anything.
No. You want me to call them?
Call them.
Okay, thank you.
Are we really just putting them here?
Why not?
I don't want to scratch my wheels.
Hi.
Hi.
He just called me right now and I was like, oh sick, yeah, I'm like 2 minutes away.
Look, Jordan. Dang. Can I film you, please?
No. I'm not allowed to be on camera.
I'm real.
So here's Josh's. That'd be, I guess, yours? Hey. Sorry, a little dusty. But yeah.
much.
Of course, no problem. You guys ready?
Thank
Yep,
you.
just came here for wheels.
Easy.
3-hour trip.
Today's the day, huh? And you still don't even have 5 lug on the front. Here's a little update on the land. We have so much room.
You have like all the cars right here, bro.
So they extended that part, and then we cut down the hill here and made this flat for more parking.
This is crazy.
We started building the pit bike track. Could have tore down my old stuff, and he made a little bit bigger double there. He's gonna do another one and another one. We opened this up like huge. I think I'm just gonna do the whole freaking land at this point. But this is amazing. It even went down here. So I might honestly connect this downhill so we can actually drive
So you
down
can
there.
jump cars.
We're gonna jump Jordan's car. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like 18, 19, 20 cars maybe. Probably gonna make this all asphalt, because asphalt's cheaper than cement. It just looks a lot better. Now we can actually move the cars.
You did that in 2 days.
Yeah, that was 2 days. We have it for 5 more days, so me and Kota are gonna tweak. I finally learned how to use it. I extended the driveway. We'll show you on the way out. We're gonna go mount some tires. This is lovely. So much room for activity. Tires loaded up. And I got my Blitz center caps.
Blitz. So clean.
Blitz look huge, bro. I just built them to the same exact spec of these.
Got 8 Blitz
8
now,
Blitz
bro.
now. These are 10s, so I made 10 halves for the FD. Oh yeah, putting the Blitz on the FD, guys. It's official. Didn't even do calculations, but it should fit. We were gonna go get it tuned, but this whole setup is whack and it's not cooling properly, so I might have to bring this to my boy Martin at OMD and get a full custom V-mount set up before I can actually drive it and tune it, but stay tuned for this build.
Stay tuned for the tune.
Stay tuned for the tune.
Who'd that be?
Yoda. I feel like Kota can fit his van on this.
Do you even have a room?
Probably not. I can put the Blitz in the truck at least.
I just have 4 wheels and 4 tires.
Oh, dang.
Just, that's how much me and Jordan have.
I got it.
Relax. Those are $10,000 wheels.
Sorry.
Those wheels are the price of your van times 2.
My van doesn't worth shit. I probably have to pay someone to take it. Have you seen my mesh wheel?
Yeah,
Where is it?
it's on your freaking car.
The goldish face?
I just saw them on your gray GTR. Right there.
Oh, duh.
You're smoked, bro. That's how many wheels you have, you don't even know where they are.
Cyrus gonna love this.
I didn't even tell him I'm bringing yours, bro. He's already stressing about 8 tires. Oh, I meant 16, Cyrus. You're gonna hate me. Good morning.
What's up?
I'm leaving the land now. Kota just loaded up all his drift spares, I guess. I'm bringing those to you, you said?
Yeah, he has a bunch of them too.
Yeah, so,
Okay.
yeah, cool. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Nice.
This is not gonna work here. Shut that door first. No.
People ever heard of
Shut the door.
closing the door? No. It's much better. The Supra can come over here.
Hell no. Super can't even drive on a freaking ice skating rink. Car's too low. Check it out, guys. Way better. Now we're gonna asphalt all that. I can't believe I was going up and down that thing with a 2-car trailer. It was like 12 feet wide. fixing this thing. This thing has been on jack stands for months. But everyone wants to go drifting, so we're gonna go drifting. My transmission is still out and blown. I scored another transmission, but it's a KA trans, so we need to take this bell housing off the SR, swap it over. Tyler said he'll do it, so. Poor Supra's just sitting here. I feel like it's just gonna break if I drive. Hachi's still here. I want to leave it here because I don't want to park it in the dirt. Safety, this thing is fast.
Oh, it's making it downhill easy, bro.
We're going.
This is the fastest this car's ever went.
We're top speed right now.
Oh yeah.
Can we make it past our last destination, Jordan?
Oh yeah, that was last episode, huh? Yeah. It doesn't even sense it?
It doesn't even sense it. I'm here.
Park too small, gate doesn't sense.
Hello? Sick Ferrari. How much is that? So peaceful. My seat is all the way back. Still can't fit. Me still hitting the steering wheel. Hear things rattling in the back. Don't even know what they are. It's great. Love it. So everything's perfect, you know? Look how loose the steering wheel is. That's how you know this car is just really good. What's his Instagram? Why'd you get here so early? It's at 1. You want to stay here for 20 minutes? Your boy's perfect at doing fitment. Oh, that looks good.
Got the wheels. Gotta do the front 5-lug conversion. Get that done today.
Perfect though. No road.
What happened to the Hako, bro?
This is the only way I get to drive my cars. Gotta drive all of them. Thanks.
I didn't see that.
That's great.
I actually like those wheels.
Look good.
Switching out cars every time we go to the mailboxes.
Yep, that's what we do. And then this is maxed out seatbelt.
You're good.
I just realized you're not going to have a 180 anymore. You only have a 240.
last moments with the 180.
What's up?
Yeah, how you doing? Brandon, nice to meet you.
It's the car. You had a right-hand drive before?
No.
Nice.
I've driven right-hand drive, but I never owned one. Can I see under the hood?
Yeah. Are we going Sushi Neko?
Yeah, Vegas right now.
You're gonna treat us, right? With your freaking 180 money?